Brr, it sure is cold. Come on inside and I'll help make some wonton soup. And these are all the ingredients that you're going to need for your Thai wonton soup. First, you're going to want 6 cloves of garlic and 4 scallions. Now what you're going to want to do is wash them properly and then chop off all the heads. And after you finish doing that, you have to cut them as small as possible. Next, we move on to the washed garlic. Now what you're going to want to do is just simply slowly chop it. Seems simple enough. And here we have Chinese bok choy. What you're going to want to do now is peel off 5 leaves and cut them into 2-inch pieces. And now that you have your 5, now what you're going to want to do is wash them so that nothing gets on them. Take an iron pot and put it on high. What you're going to want to do is put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And then saute your garlic. Pour them in. Now you're going to need 2 packets for this particular soup. Now be careful of backsplash skids. Now what you're going to want to do is put some fish sauce in there to give it that iconic Thai taste. Now the soup is practically done, so what you're going to want to do, turn off the stove and add the remaining ingredients. Bok choy, and finally, scallions. Make sure that you get every single one. Next, don't forget to stir. We simply sit down and enjoy on this cold winter day. Like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy that.